Okay, dear students, the next concept is types of adsorption. So we came to know the definition of concept of adsorption. Now we have classification of adsorption. Adsorptions are of two types. The first one is positive adsorption. Next one is negative adsorption. What is a positive adsorption means? If the molecules on the adsorbents, if it is more than inside of this adsorbent, then it is what positive adsorption. For example, when the concentration of adsorbate is more on the surface of adsorbent than in the bulk phase, then we can able to say this is what positive adsorption. For example, let us consider the molecules present inside of this adsorbent. When the molecules, when it accumulate on the surface of this adsorbent, if the molecules on the adsorbent, if it is more as compared to inside of this adsorbent, then it is what positive adsorption. The reverse of it is it called as what negative adsorption. So that means when the concentration of adsorbate is less on the surface of adsorbent than in the bulk phase, then it is called as what negative adsorption. And we need to know one important concept, that why adsorption that it takes place. What is the reason for the adsorption? What is the mechanism of adsorption? It is important one. Adsorption, it is due to the fact that surface particles of adsorbent are not in the same environment as particle inside of the adsorbent. You take one adsorbent molecule. Molecules means what? As we know that chemical substance means what? Inside that many molecules are there. And those particles which are present inside, inner side and outer side. Outer side means what? Surface. Inner side there is a proper orientation that is it takes place. If there is a proper same kind of particles are there in all direction means what? These are mutually balanced. These are mutually balanced. But if the particles which are present at the surface or outer face, there is no any, what is that? So at the outer face, there is a unbalanced force it is there, or residual attractive force it is there. So these forces are responsible for attracting or retaining the adsorbed particles on the adsorbent. The extent of adsorption increases with